A leaked video of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has been stirring a lot of excitement online, with fans debating whether the footage is genuine or AI-generated. The Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the most significant upgrade in DJI's pocket camera lineup, boasting a sleek, lighter design and a powerful dual-sensor system. Rumors suggest the main sensor could be a massive 1-inch, 50-megapixel sensor capable of delivering cinematic-quality footage, while a secondary sensor, possibly 1.3-inch, might cater to vertical video or square-format shooting, offering creators more versatility, especially for social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. In addition to the upgraded sensors, the Pocket 4 reportedly features a larger battery and enhanced stabilization. While previous models relied on traditional gimbals, the Pocket 4 introduces a 4-axis magnetic levitation gimbal paired with AI prediction technology for ultra-smooth motion. This combination promises sharper video, improved low-light performance, and creative freedom, making it an ideal choice for vloggers, travelers, or anyone capturing fast-moving action. Although some leaked images suggested a secondary screen, insiders say it's more likely a control display for settings rather than an image preview, although this hasn't been officially confirmed. Comparing the lineup, the Pocket 2 had a modest 1-inch LCD touchscreen and a 1.7-inch CMOS sensor, capable of 64-megapixel photos and 4000 video at 60 fps. The Pocket 3 upgraded to a 1-inch sensor delivering 12 megapixels, 4K at 120 fps, and a larger 2-inch OLED rotating screen. The Pocket 4 takes things to another level with its rumored 1-inch 50-megapixel main sensor and secondary 1.3-inch sensor, supporting 8K video. The improvement in stabilization and screen technology across the series is substantial, with the Pocket 4 looking like a leap forward in compact camera tech. Pricing for the series starts at $353 for the Pocket 2, $495 for the Pocket 3, and the Pocket 4 is expected to range between $699 and $799. DJI appears to be targeting a December release, though upcoming US tariffs and potential FCC restrictions could push it to early 2026. The device has been quietly sitting in the FCC database under Model ID OP041, confirming the hardware is finalized and the design locked. With a battery increase from 1,300 mAh in the Pocket 3 to 1,545 mAh in the Pocket 4. A square secondary sensor could allow for true 4K vertical content without any loss in resolution, a major advantage given the explosion of short-form vertical video. This would mark a significant improvement over the Pocket 3, which compromises vertical resolution. DJI seems focused on giving creators more flexibility in a compact form factor, allowing for high-quality vertical and horizontal footage without needing multiple devices. While the Pocket 4 garners attention, another device, the One drone, is also generating buzz for a completely different approach to aerial filming. Unlike traditional drones, the One is designed as a flying 360 camera capturing 8K footage, allowing users to choose angles during editing rather than worrying about camera positioning in real time. This freedom is especially appealing for beginners, travelers, and casual creators, as it removes the stress of piloting and framing while delivering both horizontal and vertical shots in a single flick. The One is being described as almost revolutionary, offering FPV-style visuals without needing FPV skills and opening a new creative approach to drone filming. The One isn't meant to replace traditional drones but instead provides a new category for those prioritizing creative freedom over manual control. Its design, including retractable landing gear, ensures the camera's 360 view remains unobstructed. There are some limitations, including average battery life and the need for powerful computers for processing 8K footage, but for those looking for a liberating filming experience, the One stands out as a compelling choice. Minor stitching imperfections may occur on water, trees, or nearby objects, but the emotional and creative benefits seem to outweigh these small technical trade-offs. Meanwhile, DJI is preparing its response with upcoming releases, including the DJI Avid, signaling that the company is serious about competing in this evolving drone landscape. The contrast between drones like the One and DJI's more traditional offerings highlights different philosophies. One prioritizes automatic, smooth, and immersive footage, while DJI's approach remains faster and more manual. This divergence gives creators clear choices depending on whether they value creative freedom, ease of use, or precise control. In short, the DJI Pocket 4 promises to be the most ambitious pocket camera DJI has produced, combining a massive main sensor, 8K video, advanced gimbal stabilization, and smart features in a compact, portable package. Coupled with emerging drones that rethink aerial capture, the next year could mark a dramatic shift in how creators shoot video, whether on the ground or in the air. The combination of Pocket 4's high-quality, versatile footage and innovations like the One Drone's 360 perspective is pushing the boundaries of content creation, offering new levels of creative freedom for vloggers, travelers, and casual creators alike. It's a clear signal that the tools available to content creators are evolving faster than ever, opening the door to fresh, imaginative ways to capture life's moments in both vertical and horizontal formats without compromise.